A community event was held at the Consulate General of Pakistan, Dubai, today to observe Kashmir Black Day, attended by Kashmiri and Pakistani community members. Ms. Mariam Bukti, acting Consul General of Pakistan to Dubai and Northern Emirates, presided over the event. The special messages of the President and Prime Minister of Pakistan on the Kashmir Black Day were read out during the event. Kashmiri leaders and members of the community, while addressing the gathering, they emphasized that India is morally and legally bound to give the rights of self-determination to the people of IIOJK as enshrined in the UN Charter. They also appealed to the international community to play its due role by solving the dispute in accordance with the wishes of Kashmiri people. Ms. Mariam Bukti added that since 1947 to this day, Indian illegal action forcibly occupying Jammu and Kashmir by deploying its army on innocent Kashmiris. 27th October is observed as Black Day to condemn the Indian atrocities, to take serious notice of the plight of Kashmiri people and Indian brutality. During the event, a documentary was shown demonstrating the gross human rights violations being committed by the Indian security forces in Kashmir. A photo exhibition was also arranged on the sidelines of the event. At the end of the function, a special prayer were offered for the Kashmiri martyrs for an early resolution of the Kashmiri dispute in accordance with the UN resolution and wishes of the Kashmiri people. Rabia Ashraf with the cameraman at the reporting team, Amarat News, Dubai.
कश्मीरी भाइयों ने अपना पैगाम दिया और पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट की पोजीशन जो मैंने यहाँ पे बयान की उसमें यही है कि कश्मीर का वाहिद पुरअमन हल जो है कश्मीर की खुद इरादियत देने में ही है और यूनाइटेड नेशंस सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल की रेजोल्यूशन को अमल दरामद करवाना है। पाकिस्तान इस आज के दिन के तवज्जुह से मैं ये पैगाम भी देना चाहती हूँ कि पाकिस्तानी लीडरशिप और आवाम इस बात को मुतफिक है कि पाकिस्तान अपने डिप्लोमेटिक और इखलाकी जिम्मेदारियाँ निभाएगा और कश्मीरी भाइयों की आवाज़ बनेगा हर इंटरनेशनल फोरम में।